Hi friends, this is Cindy Blair from the Alexandria Museum of Art, and welcome to another Art Therapy Thursday. This week we're going to be doing some gesture drawings using some plants that I've gotten from outside. A gesture drawing is a drawing, it's a quick line drawing that artists use to capture the motion or the action of an object or a figure, or in our case, a plant. It's a really great mindfulness exercise in that it requires a lot of focus and you are really not thinking about anything except for the object that you're drawing and the movement of that object. So I'll show you a little bit more what I mean by that, and we'll get into the exercise. Now you can do this outside if it's a nice day. As I film this, it's not the nicest day in central Louisiana. So in fact, if you hear any thunder, you'll understand why I'm not outside. So if you're having a day where it's really rainy, you can go outside and bring some things inside to draw. All right, let's get started. For today's activity, you're going to need a pencil, a piece of paper, and something to draw. So get your things together, find a nice comfy spot, and join me right back here. Gesture drawings are quick drawings, so I've set a timer for 2 minutes to keep myself focused. This will also keep me mindful. You don't want to worry about small details. We're really focusing on the movement of this plant. As we begin, take a couple of deep breaths. Hold your pencil not like you normally would to write, but very relaxed in the hand with just a finger at the top to guide. You're actually going to be drawing with the side of the pencil. Just take a couple of deep breaths here. Just relax. Take a moment to observe your plant carefully. Notice how the stem flows into the leaves. Notice the shape of the leaves and the veins in the leaves. With a relaxed hand, draw the stem of the leaf in one fluid movement. Don't worry about making mistakes as you branch out into the main vein into the leaves. Do this as relaxed as possible. If you have moments of doubt, simply recognize them and keep moving on. Just push them away. Stay relaxed. Focus on the plant and the movement of the leaves as they branch out into the plant. Now you can begin filling out the main shape of the leaves. Do this as quickly as possible. Keep a flow. Keep breathing. Allow yourself to just flow with the lines. Choose several plants to draw. It makes for a really relaxing afternoon. And also, the more you practice, the more relaxing this gets. I really like this plant. It's the way the 3 leaves. I love the scalloping on the leaves. Just take a minute to carefully observe the things that you enjoy about the plants that you pick. And once again, I set a 2-minute timer. Take a moment to take a few deep breaths and begin drawing. Keep breathing. Stay focused.
Remember to focus on the large shapes first. You can go back later and fill in the small details. I chose to just get the shape of these leaves first and then go back and get the scalloping on the edges. As with any of these mindfulness art activities, remember, our goal isn't to have a pretty finished product. Our goal is to have a relaxing and calming experience. So don't worry too much about what happens at the end. However, if you do find that one of your drawings sparks some kind of joy for you, feel free to go back into it and add more details. And then just take a deep breath when you're done. Just relax and reflect on the experience. How was that for you? Did you find it enjoyable? Did it get easier with each drawing? Or did you have a different experience? Was one of them easier to do than another? Just think about these things and reflect upon them, and find some time for yourself to just breathe.